My name is Rob Smith and I'm the Head of Engineering at the National Physical Laboratory. Amtri Veritas has helped us access specialist skill sets, but also specialist trainers, so we can talk to them, they can understand our unique requirements around training, and then provide some bespoke training to various areas of our science and engineering community to support them in their work. Machinery safety is a really important aspect of how we work at NPL. Our scientists and engineers work across a huge range of technologies and disciplines, and providing that training and support, whether that be the great work we do with our apprentices and how we develop them into well-rounded engineers and scientists after their training period, through to world-leading scientists who provide a bit of support and backing to them when they're taking on new activities and new types of experiments or experimental setups. The apprenticeship scheme with NPL is really important to the long future success of NPL. All the amazing science and the massive impact we deliver often traces itself back to someone working in a shop like this, understanding the particular needs of that science experiment, and then working with the scientists to develop solutions. So developing and training and providing that career pathway for apprentices and graduate engineers is a critical thing for NPL to do. The training we've delivered so far with Amtri Veritas has been in two main areas. One is around the safety aspects, the machinery safety, pressure systems, ATEX and DSEER systems. The other is around generic upskilling of engineering competence. So looking at areas like requirements management and requirements capture, through to how to hold design reviews or perform some of those more generic engineering activities. We're rolling out a company-wide product lifecycle management system to allow a more integrated approach to our engineering activities, but also it's important to remember that this isn't a static field. Legislation changes, the next version of the Machinery Directive includes a provision around artificial intelligence and how that's applied to the workplace. So keeping access to experts and making sure that our training provision or our understanding is always up to date is something that's a key thing to build into our new processes and ways of working. Working with an expert training provider like Amtri Veritas helps us because we get access to the expertise, the subject matter expertise, we get access to training material that we can work with them to tailor to our needs. And tailored training, especially in R&D environment like NPL, helps massively to make it more applicable and enjoyable for our staff to do. But also access to the experienced trainers, people who know how to train, people who can deliver that training in an efficient way to get the most benefit.